Hello everyone, welcome to the SIP Smart Podcast series created by Bharath Speaks, and I'm your host Bharat Kumar Gudlinerpa. Welcome back to Bharath Speaks, where we simplify finance for you. Today, let's address a burning question. Are SIPs still the best investment option in today's market? So, with so many new investment options like cryptocurrency, direct stock trading, and fixed income products, some investors wonder if SIPs are still relevant. So here's why it's relevant. So the first parameter is the market volatility. So no problem. SIPs works well in both rising and falling markets due to the rupee cost average. When the market drops, you get more units at a lower price, and when it rises, your investments grow. Coming to the second parameter, that is beats inflation over time. Unlike fixed deposits or the savings accounts, which may not keep up with inflation because they don't deal with the inflation. SIPs in equity mutual funds have historically delivered higher returns over the long term because SIPs and mutual funds deals with inflation and the returns changes over time. So coming to the third parameter, that is low risk and high discipline. This is the most important parameter. Direct stock trading requires market knowledge and timing, while the systematic investment plans, SIPs, are hassle free and systematic, and making them ideal for both beginners and for experienced investors. Coming to the next parameter, that is the flexibility and accessibility. So you can start, stop, or modify your SIP at any time based on your financial needs. Plus, with digital platforms, investing has never been easier. So, are SIPs still the best option? For long term wealth creation? Yes, because they are one of the most consistent, disciplined, and proven ways to invest in the stock market. So that's all for today. In the next episode, we'll talk about the real life success stories of SIP investors who built wealth over time. So stay tuned to Bharat Speaks and stay tuned to the SIP Smart Podcast series. This is Bharat Kumar Gudlanarva signing off. Happy investing and happy listening.